Okay, Greg, what we have here is what I would call the belle of the ball. What is it?
This is the first Apple-1 computer designed by Steve Wozniak, and there were only a few hundred in the run. They were sold by the Byte Shop. You supplied the power supply, the case, and the monitor. All you got was the board, and then you assembled those parts to make a working computer.
So would you call it like a kit in its day? I think it was 1976 it came out.
It was the most complete computer, all ready to go. All you needed to do was supply those parts I mentioned.
And there wasn't a fancy cover or anything. I mean, unless the owner wanted to make a fancy...
You could make the cases yourself. I believe the Byte Shop made a few cases. But other than that, it was up to you to design that. And you can see several pictures online of different designs, and they're all a little bit different.
As far as the significance, this is really sort of the beginning of Apple computer, period.
It's the beginning of the home computing industry. Before that, you had to build the computer yourself. You had to solder things together. There was a lot of assembly. There was a lot of know-how, technical expertise that went into it. This was a little bit easier, and it's really what helped take off the retail computer industry, personal computer industry.
Now, I see on this particular board, I think that's Steve Wozniak's signature. Do you think he signed every board when he made it, or it was probably signed afterwards?
No, he didn't sign. They were signed after. Yeah, yeah. Once they became as popular as they are now, his signature goes on them.
In 1976, this cost $666. What does it cost now, on average, at an auction?
At an auction, it varies. Typically around $350,000.
You know, you could buy a Lamborghini for $350,000. Would you take the Lambo or the Apple-1?
The Apple-1.
No kidding. I think I would take the Apple-1 too.
Yes, definitely.
Well, Greg, thank you so much, and we want to thank the owner of this board for letting us basically stand in his spot for a few minutes and check it out. Thank you so much.